The first time you see it, your heart skips. The second time, it races. And the moment you hear it roar, there's no turning back. This is the 2026 Ferrari 488 GTB, a machine born from obsession, sculpted by the wind, and powered by pure Italian fury. Forget everything you thought you knew about supercars. This isn't transportation. This is temptation on four wheels. The kind of temptation you don't resist, because once it finds you, you're gone. From the very first glance, you know this is not a car for the shy. The front end is pure aggression, an artist's brushstroke turned into sharpened steel. Every curve and every crease serves a purpose. Slicing through air resistance like a blade, the redesigned LED headlights stare with the intensity of a predator about to strike, while the larger, more hungry air intakes inhale the wind to keep the beast inside breathing. The sculpted hood isn't just a work of beauty, it's a promise. A silent contract that what lies beneath will challenge everything you think you can handle. Lift the rear glass and meet the heart of this machine, a twin-turbocharged 3.9-liter V8. But for 2026, Ferrari didn't just improve it, they unleashed it. 720 horsepower, a 0-60 time of 2.8 seconds, and a top speed of 212 miles per hour. These aren't just performance statistics. They're warnings written in metal. Press the start button, and it growls awake, a low menacing rumble that vibrates through your chest. The sound is pure symphony trev, a higher note, climbing, screaming, until the world around you blurs into streaks of color. This is not just Speedite's theater, and you are the lead actor. But here's the secret, it's not an untamed beast. The 2026 488 GTB is precision wearing the mask of chaos. Ferrari's latest side-slip control system, coupled with active aerodynamics, advanced suspension tuning, and rear-wheel drive mastery, allows you to dance right on the edge of physics without losing control. Steering is so sharp it feels like the car reads your mind, reacting instantly to the slightest movement of your hands. Carbon ceramic brakes grip with such ferocity they don't just stop the car, they stop time itself, turning potential disaster into perfect control. Inside, the experience only deepens. This is no ordinary cabin. It's a cockpit built for a driver who demands perfection. Carbon fiber accents line the dash, Alcantara wraps the seats, and premium leather stitches it all. Together with the elegance of a handmade Italian suit, every detail is deliberate, every control exactly where you expect it to be. The flat-bottom steering wheel is more than just a wheel, it's a control hub. The Menatino dial sits at your thumb, letting you shift the car's personality from relaxed Grand Tourer to full-on track weapon in an instant. Behind it, the digital instrument cluster transforms into a live feed of performance lap times, tire temperatures, G-forces keeping you locked into the drive. Technology is present, but never distracting. The infotainment system has been refined for speed and simplicity. Navigation is sharper, smartphone integration seamless, and the optional heads-up display projects vital data without making you take your eyes off the road. But make no mistake, this car's soul isn't in its screens. It's in the way it makes you feel when the tack needle climbs, the way your stomach tightens as you launch from a standstill, the way the world feels too slow when you finally lift your foot. Driving the 2026 Ferrari 488 GTB is an experience that changes you. Your pulse aligns with the revs, your senses sharpen, and suddenly the road ahead isn't just a stretch of asphalt, it's a story waiting to be written entire. Marks and echoes of engine noise. This isn't just a car you drive, it's a car you remember long after the engine cools. Ferrari didn't just build another supercar, they built an addiction, a living, breathing creation that will ruin you for anything less. Once you taste it, nothing else will ever feel the same. The 2026 Ferrari 488 GTB isn't a dream to admire, it's a dream you're meant to drive.